What's up, guys? And yes, I have not cleaned this up yet, so I hope you're not pissed by that. And this is like my review. I just super glue the. I just stand like this because this is my new Dean Ambrose late 31. I switched the heads with the Elite 49 Dean Ambrose with the shirt, and it's standing up like this because it broke its foot off. I was going to school today, like this morning. I dropped the Dean Ambrose trying to put it on the table like this. You see the shield, Roman, and then that. Yeah, I dropped it, then I broke the foot off, and then I'm just waiting for it to dry. So, it's still wet. I see it. I see it. Oh, crap. Yeah, it's still wet. But I'm going to turn it. It's okay. The coolest part about this is that the wrist tape, it's let me show you like my old one. Like this is my old one right here. Except with that head on. Yeah. My old one. It's so dumb. I used a big cast arm and then Vince McMahon arm, like the Spotlight Network, and I used a Seth Rollins body, and then I just put a Bobby Lashley thing on it, and then this suit. I think I better put this suit on that Dean Ambrose, but I'm not sure yet. And what I like about it is that just fell down. Oh yeah, and what I like about it is like this little logo on his shirt. It's like a wolf. And then yeah, this is my review on it. Hope you guys enjoy.